Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting. Please have a look at the system of inequalities here because these are two inequations given. 0, 0 is given the solution for them. 0, 0 is the solution. And we need to find out of these four options which one is true. And for that, let me tell you, when they have given solution 0, 0 here, there must be some specified reason behind it, right? Let us try out this solution. My first equation in equation is y less than minus x plus a. 0, 0 is the solution, means x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. It satisfies both the equations. Let us try to substitute them. If y is 0, x is 0, what we are getting? This is what we are getting. Ultimately, we will have finally a greater than 0. This is the result I am getting from the first inequation, that a is positive, a is greater than 0. And at the same time we have second inequation as well. Let me try out there what we are getting, and then according to the final result we will see which option is correct. Now 0, 0 is also the solution for this inequation as well. It is giving me 0 is greater than b. That means b is less than 0. Now you think of it. A is greater than 0 means a is positive. B is less than 0 means b is negative. Now try to find which option is true. I hope you are able to understand now and easily you can identify which one is correct. If you have identified it, write your answer in the comment box and let us compare. A positive, B negative. Positive value is always greater than the negative value, right? Positive is the greater value. So is there any option? Yes. Option A is greater than B. Because I am getting that A is positive and B is negative, then it is quite obvious that means A is greater than B. So A option is going to be the correct answer. These kind of questions looks difficult when you have once a look over the question. But once you read it carefully, then we realize that it's very simple. Just by substituting 0, 0, we were getting very simple situations based on which we can select the correct answer. I hope you are clear with the concept, and if you think that this video is helpful for the students, please like it, please share it as well. Thank you so much.